Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Mexc for seamless cryptocurrency transfers. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and funded with the assets you wish to move. Next, log into your Mexc account and navigate to the deposit or withdrawal section. This process involves sending funds between your personal wallet and the exchange, rather than a direct application connection. To begin, log into your Mexc account and find the Wallet or Assets section. From there, select Deposit and choose the exact cryptocurrency you intend to send from MetaMask. It's crucial to pick the correct network, such as Ethereum ERC20 or Binance Smart Chain BP20, to avoid losing your funds during the transfer process. Now, open your MetaMask wallet and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click the Send button and carefully paste the Mexc deposit address you just copied. Double-check that the address is correct. Enter the amount you want to send, review the gas fees, and then confirm the transaction. Always verify all details before finalizing. After sending, you can monitor the transaction status in your MetaMask Activity tab. Simultaneously, check your Mexc account's deposit history. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain and reflected in your Mexc balance. Once confirmed, your funds will be available for trading or withdrawal on the Mexc platform. Congratulations on your successful transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.